This is math, scripted lesson plan, second grade elementary. Math values of money, solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies using money and cent symbols appropriately. In this lesson, the students will learn how to count money in cents and dollars. They will use different types of money to come up with different amounts. Okay, we need a smartboard, pencil and paper, coins, dollars, worksheet, and lesson initiation. Teacher will be in front of the room, in front of the smartboard, with all types of money pulled up on the board for the students to see after all the questions are asked. Who can tell me a coin that we use in everyday life? Good. Quarter, penny, nickel, dime are all right. Very good. What are the values of these coins? Okay. Good job. Quarter, 25 cents. Dime, 10 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. And a penny, 1 cent. Very good. Now let's see if we can name some paper money we use in everyday life. Good job. $1 bill, $5 bill, $10 bill, and $20 bill. Very good. There are even $50 and $100 bills that we will work with later on in this class. Yeah, really cool. Now can everyone look at the smartboard as I bring up pictures of all the money we just named as a class, okay? What are some places, people, or things that we can use money? Good. People can use dollars and coins to buy items at stores, and people can use coins to buy things out of vending machines, such as drink or snack machines like we do here at school. Teacher will now show demonstrations with real money to show how different amounts can be made. Coins will be made on one side of the smartboard, and they will move the right amount over to make the number the teacher says. If I asked everyone to give me 50 cents, who would be able to do that? I have many quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies here on the smartboard for you to choose from to make the amounts I will call out. Please slide the coins over to the left to make the amount that I asked. In any possible way you see, you can make the amount. Okay? John, please come over to the smartboard and move over 50 cents. Good job. Class, John moved over a quarter, a dime, and a nickel. Very good. Susan, can you come over and move over 32 cents for me? Good job. Class, can you see Susan moved over 3 dimes and 2 pennies? Okay, teacher will now do the same thing with dollar bills. Now I'll move all the dollar bills over, and you will need to make the number I call with the dollars. Larry, can you come and move over $62 for me over to the left side? Good job. Class, Larry moved 3 $20 bills and 2 $1 bills. Now I want to challenge you and ask someone to come move $3.25 over to the left of the board. Mike, can you do this for the class? Great job, Mike. Class, Mike moved three $1 bills over along with a quarter. Teacher will now put them in groups to work together on putting money together to make amounts that are needed from the smartboard. Now I'm going to put you into groups. I will give you several coins and dollars to create dollar amounts with your money. Please go to your assigned groups now, please, from yesterday. Now that everyone is in their groups, please look at the 5 amounts I have on the smartboard. 1, $1.65. 2, $4.50. 3, 98 cents. 4, $15.45. And 5, $20.06. Please put these in the dollar amounts on your table. Separate each amount so I can see the set. And if you have the correct amount, there should be 5 groups of money. You may begin. When you finish, raise your hand so I can come check. Great job. Now that everyone got all their groups of money correct, let's put them on a piece of paper from least to greatest amount. After that, please put your money back where you found it and turn in your paper with your group names on it. Now, class, I am passing out a worksheet for you to do. As I am passing it out to you, please get a pencil out and go back to your desk from your group. Worksheets on the paper now. Please complete the worksheet, and if you have any questions, please ask. Now that everyone is done, please review your work and then pass it to the person to your left. That person will grade your paper from the answers I am putting on the smartboard. Please hand it back once it is completed. Everyone look at your worksheet. See if you missed any or got all of them correct. Now let's review very quickly on some things we need to remember when counting money. Can we get different amounts in different ways with different money types? Yes. For example, 25 cents can be made by 25 pennies, 5 nickels, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Okay? Also, $10 can be made many ways. For example, just a few are 2 $5 bills, 10 $1 bills, 40 quarters, or 100 dimes makes $10, okay? So just remember, you can get any amount, many amounts, by knowing how much each coin and dollar represents. We will have a test tomorrow on the coins and dollar amounts up to a $10 bill. So please be ready to add and put together certain amounts of money in different forms, okay? For example, please explain 2 different ways to make 20 cents. The answer would be 2 dimes or 4 nickels. Okay? You will have 10 questions. Please study the worksheet I gave you to reference any questions. Please ask any questions if you need help before tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow counting all this money.